What's up, everyone? It's SM, and today we're tackling one of life's biggest milestones, buying your first home. It's exciting, but let's be real. It can also be overwhelming and full of costly pitfalls. I've seen too many people make mistakes that drain their savings, or leave them with serious buyer's remorse. But with the right knowledge, you can avoid those traps and make a smart investment. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 mistakes first-time homebuyers make and exactly how to dodge them. Think of this as your crash course to buying a home without the stress or regret. Let's jump in. Mistake number 1, jumping into house hunting without first getting pre-approved for a mortgage. It's a common misstep, but it can seriously derail your home buying journey before it even begins. Browsing listings is fun, and it's easy to get swept up in the excitement of imagining your life in a new place. But without pre-approval, you're just setting yourself up for disappointment and wasted time. Pre-approval means a lender has actually reviewed your finances, your income, debts, and credit, and told you how much you can realistically borrow. It's not just a guess, it's a professional assessment of your buying power. While it's not a guarantee you'll get the loan, it's a strong signal to sellers that you're a serious buyer, and it keeps your expectations grounded in reality, so you don't chase homes out of your price range. Without pre-approval, you risk falling in love with homes you can't afford, or losing out to buyers who are ready to move fast with their paperwork in hand. In today's market, speed and preparation matter. Pre-approval also uncovers any financial issues early, like credit hiccups or missing documents, giving you time to fix them before you're under contract and the pressure is on. In a competitive market, a pre-approval letter can make your offer stand out from the crowd. Sellers want certainty, and your letter shows you're ready to close the deal. It's your ticket to being taken seriously and negotiating with confidence, instead of being brushed aside for someone more prepared. The process isn't complicated. Gather your pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, and start shopping around for the best rates. Preparation now saves headaches later. Don't settle for the first lender you talk to. Compare offers, ask questions, and negotiate. Even a small difference in rates can save you thousands over the life of your loan. Remember, pre-qualification is not the same as pre-approval. Sellers and agents know the difference, and so should you. Don't get caught off guard. Bottom line, don't start looking at homes until you're pre-approved. It's the first real step to making your dream home a reality. It saves you time, stress, and heartbreak, and lets you focus on homes you can actually buy. Get your financial ducks in a row first. A little effort now pays off big when you find the right house. Be prepared, not just hopeful. No excuses. Get pre-approved and start your home search the smart way. Mistake number 2, underestimating the true costs of owning a home. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of house hunting and forget that the price tag on the listing is just the tip of the iceberg. Most buyers focus on the down payment and monthly mortgage, but that's just the beginning. The reality is, your financial responsibilities as a homeowner go far beyond those 2 numbers. Property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and, if you put down less than 20%, private mortgage insurance, PMI, can add hundreds to your monthly bill. These are recurring costs that never go away, and they often increase over time. If you're buying in a community with HOA fees, those are non-negotiable and can increase over time. HOAs can also impose special assessments for unexpected repairs or upgrades in the neighborhood, so be prepared for surprises. Then there's maintenance, lawn care, pest control, HVAC servicing, and unexpected repairs like a broken water heater or roof leak. Even small things like replacing air filters, fixing leaky faucets, or repainting can add up quickly. As a homeowner, you're responsible for everything, so an emergency fund is a must. Experts recommend setting aside at least 1% of your home's value each year for repairs and maintenance, but more is always better. Utilities often jump when you move from an apartment to a house, so ask for past bills to budget accurately. Heating, cooling, water, trash, and even internet can all cost more in a larger space. Don't forget moving costs, new furniture and appliances. Those expenses add up fast. You might need curtains, a lawnmower, or a washer and dryer, all of which can be surprisingly pricey. Before making an offer, research taxes, insurance, PMI, and HOA fees. Look up local rates and talk to neighbors if you can. They'll know what to expect. Build a budget that includes maintenance, repairs, and utilities, not just the mortgage. Factor in seasonal expenses like snow removal or landscaping, and set aside money for annual checkups on your home's systems. Overestimate rather than underestimate. It's better to be safe than sorry. If you end up with extra cash, that's a win. You can use it for upgrades or save it for the future. Look at the total monthly and annual cost, not just the mortgage payment. This gives you a realistic picture of what you'll actually spend each year. Ignoring these hidden costs can turn your dream home into a financial nightmare. Many new homeowners are caught off guard and end up stressed or even in debt. Be thorough, realistic, and plan for everything. The more you prepare, the less likely you'll be surprised by an unexpected bill. Your future self will thank you for being cautious and planning ahead. Peace of mind is priceless when it comes to your home. Don't let surprise expenses sink your budget. Remember, what you see on the surface is only a fraction of the real cost. Know the full picture before you buy. Take your time, do your homework, and ask lots of questions. That's how you protect your investment and ensure your home remains a source of comfort, not stress. Mistake number 3, skipping the home inspection. Saving a few $100s now can cost you tens of thousands later. A home inspection is a professional top-to-bottom check of the property. Roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and more. Inspectors spot issues you'd never notice, from hidden leaks to faulty wiring. The inspection report gives you leverage, negotiate repairs, ask for credits, or walk away if the problems are too big. Waiving the inspection, even in a hot market, is a huge risk, unless you're a contractor ready for a full renovation. Seller disclosures aren't enough. They might not know about every issue. The inspector works for you, not the seller. The cost is minor compared to the potential savings and peace of mind. Be present for the inspection summary and ask questions. Don't be afraid to walk away if the findings are serious. Never skip this step, especially as a first-time buyer. It's your best defense against buying a money pit. Invest in the inspection. It's worth every penny. Protect yourself and your wallet. Mistake number 4, letting emotions drive your decisions. It's easy to fall in love with a house and ignore red flags or stretch your budget. Emotional buying leads to overpaying, bidding wars, and sometimes serious regret. Don't justify a higher price just because it feels right. Stick to your pre-approved budget. Don't even look at homes above your limit. Make a list of must-haves and nice-to-haves before you start searching. Refer to it constantly to stay objective. Bring in a trusted friend or agent to help you see things clearly. Be ready to walk away if the numbers or inspection don't add up. There will always be other houses. Don't sacrifice your financial stability for a fleeting feeling. Balance excitement with practicality. Find a home that fits your needs and budget, then let yourself get excited. Keep your head cool and your goals clear. Make a decision you'll be happy with for years. Mistake number 5, overlooking the importance of researching the neighborhood before you buy. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of finding a house you love, but don't let that excitement blind you to what's happening outside those 4 walls. You can change a house, but you can't change its location. The neighborhood is the one thing you're truly stuck with, so it pays to know exactly what you're getting into. The neighborhood affects your daily life, your sense of safety, your commute, and even the future resale value of your home. It shapes your routines, your social life, and your peace of mind. Check crime rates online, but also talk to locals and visit at different times of day. A neighborhood can feel very different in the morning than it does at night or on weekends. If schools matter to you, research their ratings, even if you don't have kids. Good schools are a sign of a stable community and can boost property values over time. Test your commute during rush hour. A dream home isn't worth hours of frustration in traffic every day. Try driving or taking public transit to work from the new location to see what it's really like. Look for nearby amenities that fit your lifestyle: parks, shops, restaurants, and public transit stops. Think about where you'll get groceries, grab coffee, or take a walk. Watch for potential nuisances, like noise from highways or airports, heavy traffic, or future developments that could impact your quality of life. A quiet street today could be a construction zone tomorrow. Check city planning websites for upcoming projects, both good and bad. New parks or schools can be a plus, but new highways or commercial buildings might not be. Walk and drive the area, talk to neighbors, and get a feel for the community vibe. Are people friendly? Do you feel comfortable and welcome? Review HOA rules and fees if applicable. Some neighborhoods have strict guidelines or high fees that could affect your decision. Online research is great, but nothing beats seeing it for yourself. Walk the streets, listen for noise, and trust your instincts about the area. Remember, you're buying into a community, not just a house. The people, the atmosphere, and the surroundings all matter. Don't let the perfect home in the wrong location become your biggest regret. A beautiful house won't make up for a neighborhood that doesn't fit your needs or values. Do your homework on the neighborhood. It's just as important as the house itself. Take your time, ask questions, and make sure the location is truly right for you. There you have it, the top 5 mistakes to avoid as a first-time homebuyer. Avoid these pitfalls, and you'll make your journey smoother, less stressful, and financially sound. Buying your first home is a big step, but with the right prep, it's totally doable. Be diligent, plan ahead, and protect your investment. Your first home should be a joy, not a burden. Share your questions or experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.